Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to recharge AC in Subaru Wrx easy method. First, park on level ground, turn the engine off, and locate the low pressure service port near the passenger side firewall. Gather R134A, gauges, and a refill hose, and inspect hoses and condenser for damage. Start the engine and set a /C to max cold and fan high, then connect gauges and follow safe charging steps. Before you add refrigerant, verify the car uses R134A and inspect for visible leaks or oil residue on components. Wear safety glasses and gloves and perform this work outdoors or in a ventilated garage. Make sure the /C is set to max cold and the fan is on high while the engine is idling. Record the initial low side pressure so you can compare readings during charging. Attach the manifold gauge to the low pressure port and purge air from the refill hose before opening the refrigerant can. With the engine idling and a /C on max, add R134A in short bursts while watching the low side gauge. Pause to let pressures stabilize and check the vent temperature frequently. Stop adding refrigerant once the pressure matches the vehicle target and the cabin feels noticeably colder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.